You know, we did it. So we did it. We are European champions, and I'm happy for that.
Luka Doncic has.
And you know, we demonstrate that we can fight through the obstacles, especially when Luka got hurt. Then I had the cramp the whole second half, and I was not playing the last 2-3 minutes. And different players came up: Prepelic, Blažić, Anthony Randolph, and this is all team effort. And I'm happy for all my players.
I mean, I was pissed because I injured myself and I couldn't help my teammates. But they didn't need me. They won this game, and I'm really proud of them. Unbelievable, you know, it's a historic moment for us. We are a great team, and we are great players, not just players. We are better persons, you know. We support each other in every moment. When we are losing, we are winning, and that's the key.